Deputy Commissioner ka East Khas Hills Abhilash Baranwal hagasni ublay ulaong baka Jingbuh ya ka board pahara ka baklan hakaling ka sor shalong kandang yai bteng katba nongshongshnong kimpat shngain namar ka jingjia kam thombor hakakat khandai tarik nailar. Lawan kedua hangni baka sorkar pedeng kalapha hadu Sanperton ki Rapid Action Force ni RAF bat ki Central Police Reserve Force ni CRPF Shashalong banyarap iki pulit kejela haka jing pahara ya kasor hadin basniu ke jinglong jingman ka suk kasan hadin karali thuk ka kasi Students Union balong men haka khat khandai tarik nailar. Haka juk kapur uni ukli ke district ulakin tu ya kidong wan jingokai bakimde ben bishar ya kasor tang na kawe ke jingjia basujia ringkhat hadin ka jingyo khubor babun ne kinong chungok kai kilapin sange ya ka jingthumu banwan kai shashalong haba a ya ka jingkular bagi board district kin IT lut hakaban pintikina ya ka jing shngain jongki nangwan shangkai.
5 companies of CAPF were called and the overall commitment of district administration is to ensure and give a feel of safety and security to all citizens of and residents of Shillong and East Khas Hills. So that's why you see all these patrolling and the considerably larger presence of security deployment across the city, and will continue to do that until the time that the citizens of Shillong feel safe and secure.
So there are concerns from the Assam side also, especially visitors. We see in social media also they are saying don't go to Shillong, it's not safe. So what would you like to say to the public?
So I have also received multiple such messages from across the country that wherein they are saying that don't go to Shillong and all. The only message that I have given them is that please come to Shillong. It's entirely safe. Don't judge a city because of one isolated incident. The people of East Khas Hills and Shillong welcome them with open arms, and they are most welcome as tourists. Shillong is upcoming as one of the hottest tourist destination across the country and globe, and we want them here. We want to welcome them, and please don't judge Shillong by one isolated incident. We are here from the district administration to ensure their safety and security. Tourism department has also given a dedicated helpline number for all the tourists, and we are always there for whatever assistance is needed.